Okay, this is Blizzard Beach at Walt Disney World, and this is Spring Break 2009. Miles Bateman here filming in the veranda at the big wave pool. Give you guys a quick shout out. I'll say hey. Yeah, check it out. It's all themed with an alpine theme. I'll let you guys see kind of over my shoulder here, the beach and kind of what's going on. And there's like the wave pool. Maybe. Wave pool. And this is Blizzard Beach at Spring Break 2009, and they're filled to capacity today, so there's tons of people here just enjoying spring break and getting out on a day where the temperature's going to top, I think, 83 or 84 degrees. So getting a nice sunburn going for the beginning of the winter time. And this is punching out.